front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then just click on this little icon of a plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. And finally, hit Files to add an audio one. You can click on Audio at the top to make it easier for you to look, access one of those apps, or click on those two lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo next to the plus one. If your video is recent, click on it right away. And if it's not, select Gallery. Then click on your video and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, click on Folders, and look for your video the same way as an audio file. After finding it, hold it and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!